What's up, guys? We're going to Multnomah Falls to hike to the top. Hope you enjoy the video. It's raining right now. It said it's gonna rain for most of the day. My mom doesn't want it to rain, but I love the rain. You like the rain, King? No. I do. Got here. It's really loud. I mean, not on camera probably, but it's pretty loud. It's really cool. Where's the creek? I'm good. We're gonna be hiking to the very top. All right, guys, we're gonna start our first part of the hike. We're almost there, about 0.2 miles away. We're almost to the top. We can see it from here. All right, guys, we're going down. Soaking wet, but it feels good, really. It's so windy, it feels so good. Woo! That's where we were. Really soaked right now. All right, we're at the bottom again. They're little. Yeah, just little salmon. They're spawning, they're gonna die soon. Alright, we're heading back home.